Nick Fox again here with Beal Welding. We're going to go over some shielded metal arc welding machine setup today. Show you how our machines work and what the students go through to get welding. First of all, they pull their welder out of their booth and plug it in. We're using the latest inverter technology, linking 350 Pro inverters. Come over here and grab our plug. Line it up. Push her in. Come over here and we'll turn our machines on and pick the correct settings and polarity. We'll go over that real quick. Turn our machine on, let it power up. Takes a few seconds. Open the control panel here and pick the type of welding we're going to be doing. This machine was last used for TIG, so we're changing it to CC stick. These are constant current power sources that are going to hold a constant current over a voltage range that accounts for arc length. All right, so that's all turned on and set up. We weld from 110 amps for vertical up to 140 for flat for 1/8 inch 7018 stick rod. So we're gonna set this to 125, and we'll do some flat beads in a minute. The next thing we need is our ground clamp or workpiece connection. We'll weld in the middle of the booth today for filming purposes. Plug our ground into the negative terminal of our welder for DCEP. That is the polarity for 7018 stick, most commonly used. DCEN gives you shallower penetration and a wider weld bead. We need our stinger next, which is still in the booth. Our stinger is what holds our electrode for our stick welding process. Plug that into the positive terminal of our welder. Shut the lid. We have hot start settings and arc control that we don't normally mess with. All right, we'll bring it over to the table, and next video we'll go over some welding and do some welding in process, and I look forward to seeing you there. Like, follow, and share.